Hello, Yorobun. It's 2 p.m. 2:30. Actually, naka-in na ako sa work. And it's just a slow time. I'm waiting for my next meeting before I start na makipagbakbakan sa toong labanan. So, and then after that, I'll just continue with my side hustles. I think I have to plan a few things because Mother's Day is coming near. Also, I forgot to share. I shot a few clips from yesterday. We did grocery shopping, so let's pan out of that and then for the rest of the day. Kawawa ka. But maybe we can start. I think if it... Okay, hello. Sana okay lang ang everything. Pero, I'm very sorry. I have to admit, hindi ako nag-weekly vlog. You've seen the clip earlier today. I went to the dentist, but it's already Friday. The last time that I vlogged was Monday, no? Tas weekly vlog siya. So, Monday and Friday. Sobrang galing. Pero, I have to say sorry. Nag-sorry, pero yun, I had a lot of things going. Kaya, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. But also, tinamad ako to do my daily routine and do stuff that I had to do. So, in the end, Monday at Friday lang yung na-vlog ko. So, yeah, I went to the dentist earlier today. I had my stitches out. Ano tamang term? Basta pinatanggal ko yung tahi ng wisdom tooth. So, I had the surgery last week, Tuesday, then bumalik ako today, pang 10th day. Tapos, akala ko matagal siya, so dapat mag-leave ako sa work. Pero dahil mabilis lang siya natapos, nag-in ulit. Sabi ko, guys, cancel ang leave. I will go. So, yeah. Right now, I'm working. And I think I have to explain yung Tuesday to Thursday, nothing happened really. I was just working. So, just the same as Monday. Kaya hindi ko na rin siya vlog kasi wala talaga masyado nangyayari. And if may mangyari man, I'm not comfortable to share it on the internet yet. Woo! Ang arte-arte! And anyways, so today after my work, I just have a party to go to. So, pwede ko kayo isama dun. Depende kung papayag yung mga kasama ko. Pero I'll try. I guess yun lang yun, yung update ko. But I also wanna yap kasi yun nga, from Tuesday to Thursday, there were a lot of things going on. I'm okay to share yung na-feel ko during that time because as a 20-something, parang sobrang daming nangyayari sa life ko. Pero at the same time, hindi ako naiyak, nasamid lang ako. At the same time, parang thankful ako na maraming nangyayari. Kasi, kasi I'll never be this young again. Sobrang arte. Anyways, I've been watching YouTuber content na parang for the self-help MM. And I've been writing a few things I wanna post then for my 25th birthday. Like stuff that I want people to know out there. Pero it's making me realize how much I wasn't doing things for myself. Na parang lahat ng bagay na ginagawa ko so far is for other people, for my family, for pero of course I did things for myself. I went I've been traveling around the world. Around the world, kahit Asia lang. Pero yun, I did things for myself naman. Pero at the same time, parang I was holding myself back for the sake of the people around me. And I hope I don't do that anymore. Naalala ko sa isang YouTuber na pinapanood ko. Parang sabi niya, na-achieve mo yung achievements na gusto mo, na hindi naman talaga parte ng pangarap mo. And then what? Tapos sabi ko, sorry. Kasi, like, legit na, oo nga eh. Parang, siguro right now, we're aiming for a promotion, ganon, or you're aiming for, a higher salary. Pero, after that, what happens? Do you not have something that sparks your heart? Hoy, nag-spark yung heart, edi namatay. Parang ang saya na balikan mo si self and i-ask mo si self, parang, is there something that I really want to achieve in this lifetime? And how can I achieve that? Sobrang galing ko. Pero yun, I hope we can all ponder on that question. Kasi it helped me to realize kung ano yung gusto kong gawin, kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari. And although, of course, there's uncertainty, like, hindi na sure kung anong mangyayari, or if it won't go into plan. Pero, sabi nga sa TikTok, at least we tried, diba? Kasi mas mahirap yung mabuhay sa what if, kaysa, at least I tried. Yun lang. Sige, mamaya na mag-work na ako, may nag-chat na. Hello, Yorobun! So, I'm out of the office already and I've done my makeup for wherever kami pupunta for today. And hindi siya giving. Like, I think it's my hair. I think I have to cut it. So, ito na yung best ng na makikita niyo sa akin for today's video. Hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Like, hindi ko maintindihan anong aim niya. Like, ano to? Pero hahayaan na lang. Hahayaan na lang muna natin siya. Kasi, I don't have the energy. Iniisip ko nga kung gugupitin ko ba. Pero, gusto ko kasi talaga magpagupit ng buhok. So, I think I have to give this to the professional. Yeah. On my lips, I'm also using Peri Pera. I can link it down below, guys, for you. Tapos you can check it out din sa YesStyle. I have my code of Isamitsu para you have a % off. Diba? Bongga yun. Kailangan ko mapakita sa inyo na okay yung itsura ko. And it's this. Ang pangit lang din yung lighting. Sana mapakita ko ng maayos. Diba? Sa inyo, kaya ko to eh. Pero magpapagupit pa din ako. Pero yun, hindi po ako umalis ng papit. Thank you.
Ganun natin, parang ikot pa tayo eh.
Alat.
Doon sa midnight tapos, right? Sinabi niya sa MT na dito din sila. Tapos, uwi ng day.
Hello, Yorobun. It's Saturday and we're in Glorieta. In Juan Ayala. Tastes. Sarap. Next, dulce de leche. Dulce de leche. Pareho lang.
Maasim lang. Ah, nasa gitna pala.
Cereal milk. Ay, ako pala. Ano pala wala? Naghahalo-halo na yung lasa.
Mayo. Parang classic na may cereal sa taas.
Mas ano siya eh, mas creamy.
Ito ay chocolate. Next guys is chocolate.
Ayoko ng chocolate. Wala pa, nasa gitna pa. Okay.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yan yung feeling niya guys, nasa gitna siya. So,
Ano nga to?
nakagat.
Cereal
Hanapin
milk.
lang muna.
Ito yung classic. Ito yung dulce de leche. Ikot na. Tchanan!
Ah, kasama na yan. Nice ah. Sarap po. Bili nyo. Ay, wala mo pala ako dito. Pusin ka lang.
Hello everyone.
Pagod na ang mga person. Para sa pangarap.
So, after namin mag-mall, pumunta na kami sa Dangwa ng 6 PM.
Ngayon 11, hindi pa kami tapos.
11 na, hindi pa kami tapos.
Ano tayo dun sa may ano?
So, ang nangyari kasi,
Sa may...
akala namin, konti lang yung orders.
Pero thank you sa inyo guys, lahat na sumuport sa amin.
Yes. Siyempre super thankful ang mga faithfuls kasi kahit hindi kami super nag-push, super dami pa rin umorder. So, thankful kami doon. So, ayun, ngayon, magpapadeliver kami ng isang order. And then, uuwi na kami sa condo. Tapos, mag-arrange kami doon ng para sa drop-off ng Santa Rosa. Kakayod hanggang
Mamatay.
Matigok. Paalam mga kababayan.